Hey, what's up guys, it's David here back with another video, and today I'm going to be talking about the Infinix Note 10. Right guys, so if you're new to my channel, please help me subscribe, and if you end up liking what you see in the video, give me a thumbs up. I'll be really grateful. Right, so the first thing you're going to do is to look at the specs that Infinix is proud of on the box right here. So yeah, the first thing is the size of the display, which is 6.9 inches, 6.95, so almost 7 inches. That's a really massive phone. I think that's like the biggest phone you can get, almost on par with the Note 20 Ultra from Samsung. Really big display. And then the MediaTek Helio G5, very common processor for these mid-range phones here this year, right? And then the main camera, which is 48 MP, front camera, which is 16 MP, which they call the AI camera, I believe. And then the charging speed, it's called X charge at 18 watts, and also the size of the battery, 5000 mAh. And then the dual speakers, which I'll be excited to check out in my full review, the dual speakers. So genuinely, I can say that I'm kind of surprised by the specs this phone provides at the price. So let's go ahead and unbox it. I want to keep this video a little short, not so long. Right. So when you open up the box, the first thing you're going to see is Infinix Note 10 itself, obviously, in all its glory. And this is the black variant, I believe. I imagine they have a special name for the color, but yeah, to me it's just black. Yeah, so that's the Infinix Note 10 in all its glory. Very massive phone. Yeah, some of the specs they're proud of, the 6.9 inches. Yeah, so let's first put that aside and get to see what's in the box. Right, so you get your customer service card. Then when you get in here, so yeah, I believe in this you have your case, but let's first look at these other. So you get a free pair of headphones, and then your USB Type-C cable right there, and then 18 watts charger. Very similar, actually. It's the same charger as the one that comes with the Common 17, only with a different brand name. Yeah, pretty much very similar one, exactly the same. So yeah, let's get to see what we get in this pouch right here. Let me just open it up like that. Hopefully I don't tear it. Right, so it's my first time seeing this bill from Infinix. What is it called? Giant X Club. Yeah, looks like a dollar bill right there from Infinix. Don't know what that's for exactly. It's a member's card or something. Then registration process, I don't know what this is for either. Right, and then you get a free case and a free screen protector, which is very nice of Infinix. They're like freebies in modern day. No phone does this anymore. No phone company provides this kind of stuff in the box anymore. And your free case. So I'll be trying out this later on. Okay, so let's put all this aside and have a look at the phone itself. Right. So yeah, this is the Infinix Note 10 in all its glory. Right, so let me peel off this from the back. Hopefully you guys can pick it up. Let's be a bit away. Yeah, put the base. So yeah, this is the Infinix Note 10. So the build quality on this, so the back is made of some plastic, I think. I can notice that right away, but yeah, it's not the best feel, to be honest. I think they could have done a better job. It's not really, it doesn't feel that steady, it flexes a little bit straight up. Yeah, okay, so it has this sparkly finish. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but yeah, kind of sparkly finish on the back. And yeah, I think to look at it, this peel this off. So yeah, these are the specs Infinix is proud of, just like word on the box, pretty similar. 6.9 inches, and then the processor, the cameras, and charging speed, and the battery size. Right, get that off also. Okay, so let's power up this bad boy and see what it's all about. Actually, before as it powers on, let me just turn it on. And as it boots up, let's get a look at the body. So yeah, at the back you have your cameras. I believe this should be the 48 main camera in the middle right there, and then your quad flash, then your 2MP, the dual 2MP cameras. So I believe one is supposed to be a macro camera, and then the other a depth sensor, right? So those really don't count as cameras. In my case, I don't imagine you'll be using that often. Then your camera, yeah. So yeah, so this is the Infinix Note 10. Let's set it up real quick. So my country is Uganda right here. Proudly Ugandan. I'll skip that. Skip. Terms of use, what's this? Okay. Let's just skip through everything you can skip through. Accept, whatever. Skip anyway. Oh, right. So let's register the fingerprint. Let's just test that out right away. So off camera, let me just put in my P. Right, so I'm going to register the fingerprint. Real quick. Next. Let's see how it was. Okay, it's really quick. Okay. Just stirring it real quick. Okay. Scan finger age, right? Let's do that. Okay, great. So yeah, this is the setup process. Tell you what guys, I mean, I'm really loving the look on this display right here, right now. So this is an IPS panel, but 6.9 inches, and it really looks lovely. Tell you what, you know, I'm already impressed with the specs of this device, and much as it doesn't have okay, high refresh rates and all that, but this is a 1080p 6.9 inches panel. I think it's really impressive, to be honest with you, for the price and all that. It's a really impressive package. Right, so let me just get to look through. Okay, the camera looks like it's really good. So you're getting a iOS, obviously, Android 11. So let's just get to look through the software information. Okay, let's see. Really, my phone right here. So yeah, you get that 4GB. So remember, there is a 6GB variant, and then there is a, I think there's a 64GB variant also for storage. So you get the 6GB RAM variant and the 128. This is a 4GB variant. You get 16MP front facing camera, center punch hole, yeah, and 48MP triple camera. Okay, right, Helio J85 5000 mAh, 1080p, and yeah, Android 11. So that's basically about that. And then you have iOS version 7.6 right there. So yeah, I think that's basically it about this phone. You get Type-C at the bottom. I mean, I'm impressed by that. You know, I just reviewed the 117 and I was disappointed that it had a micro USB. It's very disappointing, to be honest with y'all. Yeah. And then your dual speakers. So I'm excited to test that out. The dual speakers. And yeah, I'll say this is a lovely phone. It looks really, really good. First impression, I'm kind of impressed, to be honest. I'm genuinely impressed by the package Infinix has been able to put together for the price, you know. I think the only thing that I would say is missing is 90 Hz, but I think that's a corner you can catch, you know. At least it's 1080p. You know, I would rather have a 1080p display than have a 720p with 90 Hz or something of the sort. This looks really good. Yeah, and it's smooth for the most part, at least for the time I've been using it. So yeah guys, that's my unboxing of the Infinix the Infinix Note 10. Yeah, and yeah, I'll leave the rest of the talking for my full review. So yeah guys, if you end up liking what you've seen in the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be doing a lot of content on this, many comparisons. I have many videos lined up for this phone. Okay, so this is just my initial unboxing video. Yeah, thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one.